Hey, we're gonna unbox two things: rice crackers and pineapple cake. So yeah, let's take a look at these. Variety of rice crackers. If you just want to test them out, see which one you like, see if it's even edible for you. Let's take a look at that after. So yeah, we have premium gold. Premium gold. Soft cake, pineapple. Taiwan. Royal family. 1986. Weird. Soft cake, soft cake, soft cake. Wow, all info. Let's see. Nutritional facts. Anything can stand out for you guys? Like and subscribe if you can. I'm just do more food reviews later. If I could find anything I want to eat or show off or can't find on YouTube. Contains egg, wheat, milk, soy. English, Taiwanese. I don't know what the language that is. There's ingredients. Okay, royal family. Let's see, Los Angeles. Is that imported by Los Angeles? Best Buy? In 3 months. 6 months? 6 months. Flour, butter, sugar, egg, milk powder, blah, pineapple. Paste. And it has a sliding lock on it. Whoa, look at that. That is crazy. Look how pretty it is. It's golden style, isn't it? Anything else? Oh, is anything under there? Nope. Woo! And that's it. Look at that. Let's take a look at it. There's the pineapple cake. If you want to make it at home. And what it looks like. Let's have a taste. This is pretty good. It's really soft. The crust, the cake itself, fillings, a hint chewy. Well, that's good. I think I'm tired of pineapple cake. Or I'm just looking like the perfect one. Have you found it yet? So yeah, that one's done. Question is, can I eat anymore? I'm a little full. Jumbo bag. Gluten free. Bin rice crackers. Bin rice is Ritz. Crackers is Ritz. Nam Mik Chow, Thailand. LTC. Is that a phone number? Central Islamic Council of Thailand. Importers. Californian. We gotta stop giving him money. I have to buy all our food from there. You get so much money in Thailand, Australia. Oh, here's the ingredients type. Original. Okay. Seaweed flour flavor. Original flavor. Snow, icicle, sugar flavor. There's only 3. Looks like there's only 3. Product of Thailand. Nutritional facts. Let's see. So 4 packs is 150 calories. Seaweed is 140 calories. Alright, let's open it up. There's no easy opening section. Okay, never mind. Just peel it. Okay. I have a snow covered. Seaweed. And original. Okay. Let's try. I don't even know what this is. Ooh, this is a lot of sugar. A lot of food. Okay, let's see. Good thing there's only like 100 calories in this. Pull it like this, open it like this. Doesn't matter. Break it. Rice crackers. If you haven't had this, is pretty good. So what it is it tastes like light bread, crispy bread, hint of sugar, hint of seaweed, bit salty, sort of a hint of salt. So yeah, that's what it tastes like. And then the snow one. This was around, I don't know, $5 or $10 US dollars. I wonder what kind of sugar this is made out of. Or just sugar. Icing sugar? What's icing sugar? Egg white powder contains egg. Yep. This is just less salty, or no salt at all, just more sugary. These are really good because they're really light and original. I would recommend trying these if you could find them. These are really good. All of them are really good. They're just like light snack. More salty. There's a lot more salty than these other two, and just a really lighter hint of sweetness than this one. So yeah, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you guys.